So in this video you will see my new HERO XPulse and my new DJI Osmo Action camera. I'm just testing both at the same time. I already hate my action camera. Hello online people and welcome back to my channel. So I know that the last video was a total mess, total chaos. I know it was a new city, new problems. It was going on a lot and somehow I just forgot to properly introduce you my new companion. So meet my new travel buddy, the HERO XPulse 204V. Why does it have that name? Because it's a 200cc single-cylinder engine with a 4-valve head, which means it just keeps going with a lot of power. It's fuel injected, so no drama with altitude, humidity or starting in the middle of nowhere. Okay, it might not be the fastest or the flashiest or the fanciest bike, but the thing is, this XPulse is built for real adventures like mine, for rough roads, for steep trails, for river crossings and places most bikes wouldn't even dare to go. But with this bike you can easily go on a normal street as well. Traffic, no problem. It's like built 2-in-1, which is actually amazing for me. And it has a long travel suspension, it's perfect for rocks, potholes and whatever surprises. I cannot feel anything. It weighs around 159 kilograms. For me, absolutely amazing because I cannot lift a heavy bike at all. And as a beginner, I will probably drop the bike more often as I think. Seat height is pretty tall, 825 millimeters, and with my size, like 165 centimeters, not millimeters, that would be ridiculous, but it's pretty tall for me. The XPulse has some more features. It's got a USB charger that I can charge my phone while I travel. It has a digital display. I even have an app for the XPulse, so I can connect the display of the XPulse with my navigation system, and on the screen I can actually read the navigation as well. It's built in India and definitely made for my adventure, and honestly it feels like it was really made for my kind of chaos I'm riding through every day. So yeah, I call her my potato because I'm the sweet on the potato, and if you know it, you know it. So I think now it's really important to talk about the price, because all the things the XPulse offers for ultimate off-road adventure, you can buy it for 140,000 pesos in the Philippines. That is kind of a deal you actually don't want to miss compared to the RUSI. I think a RUSI Classic, like my RUSI Classic new, is like 100,000. So you just put 40k on top and you have a brand new XPulse with these features. I mean, that's such an upgrade. But yeah, okay, let's test it out together and let's go. Thank you guys. I cannot go this way. My goodness. Bye. Okay, we have a new action camera and it's not a GoPro, but it's a DJI. It's like 1.5 hours later or 2 hours later, and it felt like 5 hours in the mall. But okay. We have a new camera and let's see how it will go. I'll try to reset that. Nice, look, that's a feature I really like. I can just reset it and then you can see like how many kilometers I've driven today, how much time it took me, and what's the average speed. Now we are ready to hit the road. Half an hour because it's like super incredible hot. Like always. And look, I have like a long sleeve now. Because I thought it's time to not always wear my jacket. But it's in black, so it's still super hot, but black is my color. What should I do? It is how it is. 14 kilometers, and we are now, by the way, in Angeles City. And sorry guys that I lost the footage of the last days, so you couldn't see me driving, but hey, I have a surprise. I have a new motorbike, a HERO XPulse 200V, and I absolutely love it. It's such an upgrade to my RUSI. It's a lot more smooth. Nice, I already love it. It was my first video I recorded with a new action camera, and the Osmo overheated, so it stopped recording. Amazing! That's how I like it. Can somebody explain to me why I'm that unlucky with technical devices? My goodness! I swear I will burn everything I have, and then I will stop making YouTube videos and do something else, sell my fucking songs. I don't know. But okay, back to the actual video. We have a new bike, and we got a cooperation with the HERO Motorport. So it's actually based in India, but they sell it worldwide. Thanks for watching, guys. I will end this video now before my new camera will overheat. Amazing! Oh look, red light. So I still really have to get used to it. It's much bigger than my RUSI, so I cannot reach the ground fully. I'm tiptoeing. I can reach the ground with both feet though, but just on my tiptoes. Then another thing what's different, it's much lighter. It feels like it's much lighter. And the only thing I didn't get used to yet is that the throttle is pretty sensitive. So that's the thing I really have to get used to, because if I'm driving slow in first or second gear and I just push the throttle a little bit, it still seems like I'm pulling the full throttle. But yeah, let's see how it goes. And one thing I have to say as well about the bike is that it's so much easier to handle, especially off-road, because this bike is actually made for off-road. It's really easy to handle. Like after the RUSI, I think every bike is easy to handle. I'm really curious about the recordings of the action camera. Hey guys, now with face. So I actually already I already hate my action camera. So I used it 3 times now and it overheated twice. It's a new camera and everybody was telling me, oh, take a DJI Osmo Action camera because it doesn't overheat. It's even worse than my GoPro. But yeah, I will show you the road. It's sand. It's sand. So I actually don't want to go further. But we have 2 more kilometers to go because I don't want to go back anymore. I know it doesn't look bad, but for motorcycles it is bad. So that's the first test for the XPulse, I guess. My goodness. Sometimes I wish my life would be easier. But then I realize it's actually fun. So I will show you the road because this is not a really good angle. Do you see this? It's still bad. But yeah, the sand is pretty deep. And the XPulse is waiting for me. So let's go again, huh? Again. No clue where I'm going and what I'm doing. Welcome back to these episodes. Okay, I stranded here in the middle of nowhere. There is actually nothing as usual. And I have another problem now because my GoPro or my DJI didn't just overheat. It says I have to activate it now. It's not working until I activate it. So I have to register and I don't have Wi-Fi and I don't have signal. So I cannot use it until I get Wi-Fi or signal. So yeah, I cannot take you guys with me, but I will stay here during the night. A really nice lady will cook me food now so that I'm at least not starving here, and then I will probably just set up my tent and sleep here for the night, and then let's see where I will end up tomorrow. Hello. You want to be in the video as well? Say hi. And let's see if I can explore tomorrow a little bit without you guys because my camera is not working. This is the place where I stranded. Somebody already wanted to do lechon. Okay, we have a new plan now because it's really beautiful here. It would be such a shame to not record it. So I will wait for the food because it will be my breakfast at 4 p.m. I will wait for the food, we will eat something, then I will have energy to go back, and then we will come back again to this place. We will drive around here. Let's see what we can explore here because it's really beautiful, and maybe I will camp tomorrow. So yeah, changing the plan again, and then I can activate my new action camera, and then I can hopefully take you with me if it's not overheating. Let's test the camera as well, because if it's not working I will bring it back and I will exchange it or something like that. I cannot deal with a camera that is all the time overheating. That's a new plan. Let's do it. Imagine me driving this road. I guess I will drop it at least 3 times. But let's try it and let's give it a go. Wow, look at this. I even got adobo. Really, really good. What's your name? Janelle? Oh, nice to meet you. Ay, salamat.
Bagong luto yan, ma.
Excuse me, I speak Tagalog.
Speak Tagalog.
No. Hindi. No, no Tagalog. You speak English? A little bit. Oh, eat adobo. Yeah, let's share, let's share. Eat both.
Try ko lang yung kanin. Kung okay siya.
I like fried rice.
You like dried rice? Fried rice?
Fried rice?
You like fried rice?
Okay, ma'am. Try.
Masarap.
These guys speak Tagalog already na.
Just a few words. Hot. Works again. Test, test, test. Alright guys, I'm super sorry for these messy, really absolutely messy videos and episodes I have right now, but I promise after this one it's gonna be alright. Hopefully. No, joke. It's gonna be alright. Thank you for watching. Sorry again, and don't forget to subscribe my chaotic life. What should I say?